What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn any photo into the Holy Wing animation. Ooh, isn't that cool, right? How to create that one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I use here will be the PixVerse AI, and don't worry because this PixVerse also accessible whether that from your PC, tab, or even the smartphone guys, and you can simply install it from the App Store or maybe the Play Store. And don't worry because for the new user they will also give you several credits over here. And in case if you run out the credit, don't worry because this PixVerse is very generous. You can have the 60 credits that will be renewed every single day at 0 UTC. So you can stay tuned, also following your time zone, and it will be renewed in this section. So the next step is I will start to click template over here. You can choose in this section or this section, which one do you prefer? And after that I will start to search for the template named the Holy Wings, like this. And after that you will find this one. And every single template over here will also show you the preview of the transition effect from the picture into this template or this animation. And the next step is I would like to upload the picture from my gallery or from my device, and kindly wait for the picture being uploaded perfectly or entirely, and after that you can continue to create. And you can also try this adjustment or the setting, kind of the panel. However, you see the diamond here, you need to upgrade this version to become Pro version. And for this animation, you will have 5 seconds video animation. And also this will be the video quality mode. You need to upgrade it into the Pro version. So you can continue to click create and kindly wait for the output over here. This one. This is the video or the animation we will have. I will click it and let's play. Talking to the moon. So this will be the animation, and isn't that cool, right? So you can start to download it with or without the watermark, or you can also simply share it into your favorite social media or maybe your media communication. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this PixVerse AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.